The question. Look, we can't start the class. So here, this is surface of the earth. Okay. On this, mass of the earth is m r. R is the radius of the earth. To identify it, okay. Here 90 kgf a body weighs. That means mg on the surface of the earth is 90 kgf. That is nothing but 1 kgf means 1 kilogram force. Force acting on a 1 kilo body. You know, force acting on a 1 kilo body is 9.8 Newton or approximately 10 Newton. Is it clear? Because mg only we are calculating here. Force acting on 1 kilo body. Okay, 1 into 9.8 is 10. So here we can write in 10 Newton. This is Mars. On the surface of the Mars, mass will be same, but gravity will be different. So I'm marking here gm suffix m. Otherwise, we'll put g dash. Okay, c equal to how much? That's a question. So here first we have to find out variation in g and multiply by m. Then you will get weight on the surface. But here data given, radius of this one is 1/2 of radius of the earth. Okay, and mass of the Mars is 1/9 of mass of the earth. These are data given, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Now the formula G is equal to GME by R square. This is the formula. Both on the surface we are discussing. So radius of the planet we have to consider. First one G on the earth, GE is equal to GME by R squared. First one. Okay. Second one G on the Mars is equal to G M of the Mars divided by R squared. Okay, R squared of the Mars. Divide G Mars divided by G Earth is equal to GME divided by R squared into R Mars squared divided by G into M Mars. G cancel. Okay, then G Mars divided by G of Earth is equal to mass of the earth divided by mass of the Mars into R Mars divided by R of earth. This is earth. R of earth whole squared. Okay, copy up to here.
So we are dividing gravity of Mars by gravity of Earth.
Gravity of Mars divided by gravity of earth. Okay, first we have to see the variation of gravity, then multiply by Mars. Then you will get weight.
Yes, sir.
Copy it first. Are you finding any difficulty in writing record?
No, sir.
Then after completing, you can just drop into my house. Okay. Throughout December, it can take time, but make it at the earliest. Otherwise, if you're keeping, okay, sir gave a lot of time, then you will keep it towards the end. Better next week finish and start holiday.
So what if we can send PDF, sir? I mean,
PDF.
I live very far from that side.
PDF
Yes, sir,
record.
we can take pictures of. Yes, sir. After writing, sir, I mean, like after writing, we
No,
can
you have
convert
to
into
do
PDF
the
and send it to
record.
you
I
by
have to
mail.
sign inside the record front page. You know that index you have to fill. You know index.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That index you have to fill. Like in 10th standard, you have to sign the record over there, verifying it's correct, like that. Because CBSE sometime, and we have to store in the school. Sometimes CBSE will ask to send some record for checking. Because many private schools on they won't do it. That's a problem. So they will verify it sometime. Otherwise, sometimes
So when is the last
people
day
will come
to
and check.
submit?
Formula G for Mars, then G for Earth, then we are dividing that. Then there G capital G cancelled. Now we are getting here, see, G of Mars divided by G of Earth is equal to m of Earth divided by m of Mars, okay, into r of Mars by re squared. What is mass of the Earth by mass of the Earth? I mean, this one. Mass of the Earth by mass of the Mars is 9, right? From here, this relation. Me divided by m Mars is equal to 9, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mass of the Mars is equal to 1 by 9 of me. So m Mars divided by me is equal to 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of this me by m Mars, I can substitute 9. We can substitute 9 into r by re. See from here, r by re, 1 by 2, right? Radius of the Earth. Radius of the Mars divided by radius of the Earth is how much?
Half
R Mars
whole
divided
square.
by re. How much will come? 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 whole squared. Any doubt?
9:4.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So G Mars divided by G of Earth is equal to 9 by 4.
So
Okay.
how is that possible?
Huh?
How is that possible? How
How
math
is
is
that?
9:4?
I'm not unable to hear you.
Just 1 minute.
Ask your doubt. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
G Mars of G is 9 by 4 now, isn't it?
Yes.
Now G Mars is equal to 9 by 4 of G. Okay.
Sir, in the notebook you have given 4 by 9 of acceleration due to gravity on Earth.
We made some mistake. Let us check.
Yes,
Why
sir.
we are-
During the starting, you took
Yes, sir. You wrote GE by
GME
Let me check.
by
Yes, sir.
R
It was
squared
mistake.
times R Mars, but it should
Let me
be
check. We'll write formula once again. G of Mars. Okay, G of Mars is equal to G into mass of the Mars divided by R of the Mars squared. Any doubt?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Now G of Earth is equal to G mass of the Earth divided by R of Earth squared. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now G Mars divided by G Earth.
So we have to take G mass divided by G Earth.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. You
G Mars
previously
divided
you
by
took
G Earth. I have taken.
No, sir. We have to take like that. Why can't we take G Earth by G mass?
We can take, no problem. Anyway, you can take. It's up to you. Okay. So G M Mars divided by R Mars squared into R is squared divided by G into mass of Earth. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now this G will cancel. This G will cancel. Then what is remaining? G of Mars divided G of E is equal to M of Mars divided by M of Earth into R of Earth divided by R of Mars whole squared, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we need to bring the ratio here. In the question, it's given mass of the Mars is 1 by 9 times mass of the Earth, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
yes, sir.
Mass of Mars is 1 by 9 of mass of the Earth. That means M Mars divided by mass of the Earth is 1 by 9. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then radius of the Mars is 1 by 2 times radius of the Earth. Okay? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Then R Earth divided by R Mars. R
That
Earth divided
R
by
mass is equals to half RE. Can you explain that again?
2.
Yeah, can you explain it again? R mass is equals to 1 by 2 RE.
It's given in the question. Radius of the Mars is 1 by 2 times radius of the Earth.
Okay, sir.
It's given in the question. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So R of Earth divided by R of Mars is equal to 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
and this we are going to substitute in this formula. So G of Mars divided by G of Earth is equal to M Mars by ME is 1 by 9 into RE by R Mars is 4, right? 2. Okay. So 2 squared. Now it's correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now G Mars divided by G is equal to 4 by 9. Now we can finish it. Look here. G Mars is equal to 4 by 9 of GE. Okay. G Mars is 4 by 9 of GE. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now we need weight. We need weight, right? mg Mars. So mg of Mars, then it will give weight. 4 by 9 of mge. Both sides are multiplying by m. Otherwise, the equation will change. 4 by 9. mg of E is how much? 90, isn't it?
It's 900, 19 to 10.
It's 90.
No, sir, it's 90
900.
kgf, so 90 times 10.
It's 90 kgf. Oh, okay, 900. 900. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
This is what mg of Mars means. What? Weight on the Mars. That's a question. Weight on the Mars is equal to now. How much will come? mg Mars.
400.
Yes, 400. mg Mars will give you what? Weight on the Mars is equal to 4
400.
by 9 into 100. 4 into 100. That means 400 Newton. This will be the weight on the Mars. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm multiplying by m because weight they asked. Mass remains same on Earth and Mars everywhere.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next question. A body weighs 63 Newton on the surface of the Earth. A body weighs same way 63 Newton on the surface of the Earth. What is the gravitational force on it? Gravitational force means weight. What is the gravitational force on it? Due to the Earth.
So can you repeat?
What is the gravitational force on it? What is the gravitational force on it? At a height. What is the gravitational force on it? At a height equal to height equal to half of the radius of the Earth. Half of the radius of the Earth.
Sir, can you repeat the question slowly?
Want me to repeat?
Yes.
A body weighs 63 Newton on the surface of the Earth. What is the gravitational force on it? What is the gravitational force on it? Due to Earth due to Earth at a height equal to half of the radius of the Earth. Equal to half of the radius of the Earth. So radius of the Earth 6,400 kilometers given. Radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometer. But no need of the data. Radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometer. Now from here, if you take the object to a height h, that height is equal to half of the radius. That means 3,200 kilometer height. If you're taking, what will be the value of weight? Now g will change. Very large heights, g will change, isn't it? Smaller heights, it won't change. But here h is not very smaller. It is not very smaller. H is almost similar to R. Okay. So how will you do it? First, on the surface of the G is equal to GME divided by R squared. Any doubt?
No, sir. R
Now
plus
at
H,
a height.
right?
Now at a height, GH.
Height is h.
GME divided by from center to here now R plus H. Isn't it? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If H is very smaller than R, H can be neglected. But here H is not smaller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
divide. GH. G, it's not G into H, G suffix H. Gravity at a height. Divided by G is equal to GME divided by R plus H whole squared into R squared divided by GME. So GME cancelled. Then remaining GH by G is equal to R squared divided by R plus H whole squared. Okay. Finished up to there?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
here
sir,
H
done.
is equal to R by 2. H is equal to R by 2. Substitute. GH by G is equal to R squared divided by R plus H is equal to R by 2 whole square, right? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Then GH by G is equal to 1 plus half, right? 1 R plus half R. That means 3 by 2. R squared divided by 3 by 2 of R squared. Okay. R plus half R means 3 by 2, right? 1 R plus half R is 3 by 2 R. 1.5. Agreed?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GH by G is equal to R squared divided by 9R squared by 4. That 4 will go to numerator. Okay. Then
Sir,
this R squared cancel.
sir, can you explain this again from the height part?
From here,
Yes, height.
height H is equal to R by 2.
Yes.
That H is substitute R by 2.
Okay.
So 1 R plus half R is 3 by 2 R, isn't it? 1.5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now GH by G is equal to R squared divided by 3 by 2 R whole squared, right?
Yes.
So numerator 9R, denominator 4. 4 will go to numerator. Okay?
Yes, sir.
R cancelled. Then GH by G is equal to 4 by 9. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now GH is equal to 4 by 9 of G.
Yes.
Now we need weight because force means gravitational force means weight. Both sides multiply by m. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means 4 by 9. On the surface of the earth, how much it weighs? 63. 7, right? Then 28.
28 Newton.
28 Newton will be the weight or force at this height. Okay, that's a gravitational force at that height. Is this over?
Yes.
Can you
Yes,
clear
sir.
it?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so as we go high, the gravity will decrease.
Huh. Gravity will decrease no, as the height increases.
Finish, sir.
Next, at what height, similar question, similar type. At what height from the surface of the earth? At what height from the surface of the earth? At what height from the surface of the earth will the value of G, at what height from the surface of the earth will the value of G be reduced by 36% from the value of G at the surface? At what height from the surface of the earth will the value of G be reduced by 36% from the value of G at the surface? Okay. At what height from the surface of the earth will the value of G be reduced by 36%? G is reduced by 36%. Then what is the G at this point? How many percentage will remain?
4% of
How much?
64, sir.
64%. 64% will remain now. 60% of G. G reduced by 36%. So G at this point will be out of 100, 36 reduced. Percentage means out of 100. So out of 100, 36% is reduced. So remaining G is here, 64% of G. Any doubt?
no, sir.
So we can write here GH is equal to 64% of G. Okay. Now GH is equal to 64 by 100 of G. Here this English grammar is very important. Okay. Sometimes they may ask at what height G become 36% means GH is 36% of G. Here at what height G is reduced by G, reduced by 36%. So that means 100 minus 36 remaining you have to take. So that grammatical part is very important in the question. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now GH is equal to 64 by G. Isn't it? So we can take here,
Yes, sir.
we need height. So GH is equal to, so same way we can divide. Otherwise, indirectly we can take it, substitute here GH and G. Otherwise, we can divide here. G is equal to, GH is equal to G ME divided by R plus H whole squared. Any doubt?
No, sir.
G at a height is G ME by R plus H. But G on the surface of the earth is G ME by R squared. Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No,
G on
sir.
the surface
No,
is G
sir.
ME by R squared. R means this distance. This is the height. So here GH is equal to G ME divided by R plus H whole square. This value 64% of G given. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please.
GH by
sir.
G is equal to divide again. GME divided by R plus H whole squared into R squared by GME, we can divide. If you know this R squared by R plus H by heart, you can do it, no problem. Then GH is equal to, GH by G is equal to R squared divided by R plus H whole squared, isn't it? Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, sir. You can.
Definitely, sir.
GH by G is what? 64 by 100, right? See, GH by G is 64 by 100. Okay. GH by G, bring this G down here. GH by G is 64 by 100. So equal to R squared divided by R plus H whole squared. Now we need to find out H. So take square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. That means 8 by 10 is equal to R divided by R plus H. 8 into R plus H divided by 10R. 8R plus 8H is equal to 10R. 8H is equal to 10R minus 8R. So 8H is equal to 2R. H is equal to 2R by 8. Or H is equal to R by 4. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
So R is
sir.
6,400 kilometer. It is given. Divide by 4. Around 1,600 kilometer H. So again, final answer, 1,600 kilometer height. G becomes 60. G reduces 36% and become 64% of G. So around 1,600 kilometer height we must go. Then G will reduce by 36%. And now it becomes 64%. Hope you understood this part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
understood.
sir.
So next week, Sunday, can we continue? Sunday onwards?
So you told next to next.
How you want? If you want, I will continue next week. Otherwise, after 1 week, 1 week gap, I'll give you after that if you want.
No, sir.
So
We
this
can
much
continue
slow I
from
will
Sunday.
go. This much slow I will go. No pressure, no tension. Thus, you have to enjoy just like a game. You must.
Sir, what are the timings?
After 1
Timing
week,
we
you
can
can
fix.
continue.
2
What
o'clock.
time you want? Tell me. We will fix on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Not every day. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Only 3 days. Like you're going for some
Start
tuition.
from
Yes, sir.
Sunday. This coming Sunday will start because this space is really nice, sir, for understanding the
That's what
concept.
this pace. If I have time, this is the pace usually you go. We go in school and all. Usually my way of teaching is this pace. Otherwise, students won't understand. But school is telling us finish this week, finish that week. It's not, it's a human mind. That into that I have to transfer it, right? Children have variable
Yes, sir.
capacity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I need your cooperation, your parents' cooperation. Next question. At what height above the Earth's surface? At what height above the Earth's surface the value of G is half of its value on the surface of the Earth? At what height above the Earth's surface? At what height above the Earth's surface? At what height above the Earth's surface the value of G, become half of the value, become half of its value on the surface of the Earth. That means on the surface of the Earth at a radius r, G value, G itself. At a height h, it becomes G by 2. What height? Can you try?
Yes, sir. We can try.
Try that. We have only 1 minute. So this next week we won't have the class. After that Sunday, I will See, I cannot post in the group because it cannot be official. That's what I'm telling you. School group, I will not post. So r into root 2 minus 1. Anybody want me to help that?
No, sir.
It will come finally. Same way you do it, finally you'll get the answer. H is equal to r into root 2 minus 1. If anybody want, I'll help you. R into root 2 minus 1, final answer will come. And r into root 2 is 1.414 minus 1. Then r into 0.414. R is 6,400 into 0.414. Final answer will come 600 and how much? 2,649